Hi everyone, my name is Erin and this is Valley, and thank you for joining me again today. Today we are going to work through a few poses that you can do before you sleep at night that's really going to help with your sleep. So you're going to be able to make yourself a bolster if you don't already have one, and I do have a video showing you how to make a bolster. It's basically two pillows rolled up tight in a towel, or you can use one pillow, whatever works better for you. Okay, and we're going to come on onto our knees, hands and knees, and we're going to go into a child's pose. Now, if you can't do child's pose just sitting back onto your heels, then you would put a cushion underneath your legs and for you to support your bum. But I can sit back on my heels, and so I'm going to do that. Bring the my knees are about mat width apart, and then I bring the bolster in towards me, and I just lay down on the bolster. And you can turn your head either way, whatever works best for you. You may even just want to have your forehead onto the pillow. Can't breathe as nicely with that way down. Just fully melt yourself down into the bolster. Our next pose is going to be frog or half frog. So now we're going to just bring our full body down onto the bolster. Take your arms into a cactus position like this, lay them down on the mat, and then bring your right knee towards your right elbow. So you can just lay like that. Bit difficult to see because the camera doesn't go all the way down to the floor. And again, close your eyes and fully melt down into the bolster. And then you can straighten your right leg, and then bend your left knee up towards your left elbow, and then you can turn your head towards your left hand now. Melt down onto the bolster, onto the mat. And you can straighten that left leg now. And then we're just going to turn over. I'm going to move the bolster up a little bit. Turn over, bring the bolster right into your lower back area, and then lay back on your bolster. You can take your arms out at a T, or you can take them up over your head, whatever feels better for you. And then take the soles of your feet and bring them together. Have them touching, and allow your knees just to drop out to the side. You can have a slight tuck of your chin. This little guy really keeps me entertained. And you can release that remove the bolsters, just put it to a side, and then we're going to lay down flat on our backs. Bring your right leg in towards your chest, take your hands around your knee and pull your leg in towards you. This is a wind relieving position. And then release that. Bring your left knee in towards your chest. Take your hands around the outside of your leg, outside of your shin. Pull your knee in towards you. Extend the leg down to the floor again. Take both feet onto the mat, bend your knees, take your arms out at a T and drop your hips over to the right hand side. And you may want to look over your left shoulder. And bring your knees back up to center. And then let's drop our knees over towards the left hand side of the mat. Look over your right shoulder, opposite to the knees. Bring your knees back up to center and then roll over onto your right hand side. Support your head with your bent right arm and support yourself with your left hand. And you can make your way back up into an easy seated position if you're doing this on your mat before you go to bed. If you're in bed, you can just stay in bed. You could do all these poses in your bed. You can take your hands up overhead through your brow chakra to your heart. Thank you so much for joining me today. Namaste. If this video has helped you, I ask that you subscribe. You can leave me a message and share it with a friend. Maybe somebody you know could use it and help to sleep better at night. Thank you. Bye.